What's up, everybody? Welcome back to High Quality Trade Setups, where I give you my highest quality trade setups in the market today, 100% free. Holla at your boy. Alrighty, if you are new here, this is the channel where we go over the highest quality stocks in the market, meaning only the top stocks with the highest market caps make the cut. So, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, Costco. These will be the stocks we mainly trade on this channel. So if you're ready to make the highest quality trades of your life, please like and subscribe. Alrighty, I wanted to make a video just to show you how I chart a stock when I first look at it, okay? So we have Costco on the 4-hour time frame. Now what I'm first looking for is a major support and resistance line, okay? Where has price tested as resistance and then also tested as support, okay? So I have found this line here to be the most significant based on what I just told you, okay? It was resistance here, break, then tested as support. And then we've moved higher, okay? So the next thing I want to do is find the most recent high, okay? Not trend line, this one. That is right here. Then what I want to do is find the most recent lower high, okay? And that is here. So now I know the price is trapped between the most recent high and the most recent lower high, okay? We're going one way or the other. This is where we're at. Now, to give me a better idea on where it's most likely to go next, which way, I want to find the trend, okay? So what I do now is put price in a trend channel, okay? The best way to do that is to go from the most recent higher highs, okay, and connect them all with a line, okay? It's called the trend line. So I'm going to go from this line up to these two lines here, okay? So basically, I'm thinking price is trapped by this line based on how many times it's touched it as a resistance and then price is backed off from that level. Then what I want to do is clone that line, put it on the bottom or underneath, okay, with as many touch points as I can find at the lower end of this channel, okay? And that's basically what I got here, okay? I like to work with the most recent price action that has shown at least 3 tests of a line, okay, as support and resistance. So basically I can see that support here, resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here, resistance. Okay, that's the channel it's in. That's what these lines, the price is respecting the lines here, okay? But you'll notice we just recently fell out on Friday of this trend channel, okay? Oh yeah, I forgot. So I'm actually not counting the price action right here, okay? This is from earnings, and if you trade the stock market often, you know that there's a lot of volatility around earnings. So a lot of emotions. You get violent swings, either upwards, downwards, whatever, because people are reacting real time to what is being said in earnings. But so I call this anomalies. All right. This is I'm excluding the price action here because it wasn't in a correct state of mind, is what I want to say. Like, people weren't thinking correctly here, so price act didn't act as it would have, say, earnings wouldn't have been there, okay? So we're saying this is our channel, excluding this. We could actually, like, I can show you how it is still respected as a trend channel here, because we only had like 1 or 2 candles break out before price was brought back into the channel, Okay, we can see price fell out here, but then immediately in this candle we went right back up. Okay, it broke out here, but then immediately in the next candle we broke back up into the channel. Okay, so it's still significant. All right, we didn't just have a bunch of candles start falling out one way, right? So we're excluding that due to earnings. This is our price channel. We just broke out. Okay, so actually this is a trade I want to give you guys for the coming week. Okay, for the next couple of days, we're going to see what Costco does. Okay, now that it's shown us a possible direction. Okay, so usually when we get a break of a channel, price comes up and tests the bottom line as a resistance line. So as long as that happens, okay, so price will probably come back up and test this as a resistance line, or it just jumps back up into the channel and then it was a support line actually, and we continue higher. But right now we're just going to go off what it's showing us, okay, in the most recent candle, and the price action is signaling lower prices. Okay, so that's why I got the high here, and then I got the most recent higher low, is because most likely with the break here, we will be headed to retest this lower high here. Okay, and if we're going to continue short, it needs to break the low here and then create a new lower low, which then signals a new trend in the market, a downtrend. So we will see in the coming days what Costco does. Okay, but right now, it looks to be a short setup, and come Monday, I'm going to be looking for an entry to short it. Like I said, it should retest. That will be a great entry if it so happens that I catch Costco during the day retesting this line. Okay, that would be my entry, and then I'd use this candle here as my stop loss. If it broke the high of this candle at 860.78, then that's stop loss triggered, immediately get out. Okay, but as long as we stay below this candle high, we can expect price to come and retest 838.57. So entry somewhere around this range here. Okay, say between 848 and 855 ish. Anywhere in between there would be a great entry to trade it down to 838.57. Okay, and then possibly lower. We'll see how price reacts once it hits the price level here, and then we'll decide what to do at that point. But basically, a good setup is enter around here and then get out right here, and then that's your trade. Okay, no more thought. So come tomorrow, let's see what Costco does, and then I will bring you guys another video Monday night about what happened. Okay, it should be interesting, say the least. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.